Is your FIFA Mobile Sound not working on your iPhone? In this video, I will walk you through some troubleshooting steps to fix the sound or sound glitch in FIFA Mobile. So let's get started. Before you do anything, make sure your iPhone is not in silent mode. If it is, then turn off silent mode. Solution 1. Check game sound settings. Open the FIFA Mobile app, tap on settings, scroll down, tap volume settings, set menu SFX to maximum, then set menu music to maximum. And do it for other options as well. Once you are done, check your issue. Solution 2. Check iPhone sound settings. Open settings, scroll down, tap haptics and sound. Make sure you have the volume at the maximum level. Get back, scroll down, tap accessibility, scroll down, tap audio and visual. Scroll down again, and keep the audio balance to the middle position to 0. After following these steps, hope your FIFA Mobile no sound issue is fixed. Now if you still have any issues, then let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching.